I think the data industry is overhyped. And not because of dropping stock prices or because I don't believe in its power to transform the way we organize the world, but rather because I think a lot of us focus on the wrong things. We love the hype of new and shiny things.
My precious.
But I think a lot of the value of working with data is actually hidden in the boring details, things that don't make the headlines. And one of my favorite boring things is file formats. I think it's amazing how much difference a file format can make to the performance of your data analysis. In this notebook, we can see a comparison between Parquet and CSV. We see a 3x speed up just from switching from CSV to Parquet. And if we then use some of the query optimizing features of Parquet, we can drop the runtime down to less than 5 seconds. And if you're more of an arrays person, I would recommend checking out the ZAR file format. I wrote a blog about it and I'll link it in the comments below. Of course, there's always trade-offs when choosing a file format. Do you want it to be human readable? Do you want to click on the file, open it up, and be able to inspect the contents? If you want to prioritize fast, parallel computation, then the file formats you choose are crucial. And Dask is the best place to run parallel computations with these file formats in Python. I'd love to hear from you. What's your favorite, most boring part of working with data?